This screencast is to show you a student's homepage. So this is a test student that'll give you a look into what a homepage looks like and what it's used for. On our top toolbar here, students have a to-do list, which they would be able to click and see anything that they have to do coming up. Goals. Once a student sets goals, they'll be able to see what those goals are for the year and if they're meeting those goals. So those goals would be standards towards credit for a credit area. Credit areas, if a student is picking their own standards in a seminar, they could look here to see what courses or credit areas are available and what standards are in them. Student profile, this is really still in beta, but it would allow you to see where your student is putting most of their energy towards our mastery transcript areas. Progress, a student may use this more often as they would be able to see their progress towards graduation, especially once they are upperclassmen and their total amount of credit. And then they can click in to see those credit areas. Registration, whenever we have new seminars, students would use this button to go to the registration screen and log into their registration. This little gear here gives you the parent access, and what that is actually just signing up for our parent digest. Next to the words Pathways High School Current Seminars, if you hover over this grid, it's showing all current seminars. The next one over would be show on a schedule. And then the next one from here is seminar history, so past seminars. So if I were to click from my home screen, this shows me the current seminars that a student has right now. So if you look closer at this, it would tell you the name of the seminar, so graduation and post-graduation prep. It tells me the dates, and this is just a test, so it just has this week. And then what hour or block it is. So any information a student would need to know is here on this post-it, we'll call it. If we wanted to see it on a schedule, a student could click here and it would give you more of a traditional schedule. So it would tell you the start and end date. I could sort this by the hour or period by clicking on it. And if I had a full schedule, it would put it into numerical or alphabetical order. And then the name of the seminar. And then if it was in the building, it would give us a location. The name of a teacher. Sometimes they're co-taught, so it might have multiple teachers on a roster. And that way a student could see a schedule that way. In the future, because of virtual, if there's an A and B day schedule or different schedules, different days, it might give you a day versus daily schedule. And right now is flex time is after school. But that might be a way to see things more easily.